So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now we'll see how we can cancel the order, view order, edit any order, send notification or delete order. We'll see all the functionality related to order. First, here I'm logged in and first we'll see where we can view order. So sometime you can get option in left or you can go on WooCommerce, select your orders. Here you can see all the list of orders. Now this is order processing. Now I want to cancel it. How I can cancel it? And I want to send user notification that your order has been cancelled, paid, or any processing or in hold, whatever I want. I will first open my order. Here you can see option of status. On status, you can select processing, on hold, completed, cancelled, refund, failed. There are multiple options you can select. I will select cancel, then choose action, send order detail to notification user, update. Now a user will receive that your order has been cancelled or whatever. Or you can, if you don't choose this option, you can directly just select cancel and just update it. Then also user will receive information. You can test it by adding your email address. If it is not working, then you need to send it. You can see customer. So from here you can even show status of refunded, cancel, or any things you want to change related to order. Now, if you want to delete that order, you can directly click on move to trash here. It will be deleted. Or if you want to delete from here, you can just select multiple, click on bulk action. Here you can see you can change status, change move to trash. Like you can even say that all the order has been cancelled. If you want to cancel order in bulk, you can select here and cancel order on bulk or even delete them as per your requirement. You can see cancel order is here and the trash deleted order is here. You can repo, you can permanently delete from here. It's totally upon you. So that's how you can manage your order in WooCommerce. You can delete, cancel, so processing, refund, anything you want, you can do it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.